Dictation of a matter on the types of commission in the Indian Army taken from the website joinindianarmy.gov.in. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. You can take the NDA entrance exam while you are in class 12 or after passing class 12, and you have an option of joining Army, Navy, Air Force and Naval Academy subject to meeting educational parameters and clearing UPSC written exam for the given choices. Clear the UPSC exam and after 5 days services selection board interview pass your medicals, and you are in NDA subject to meeting all eligibility conditions and availability of vacancies. 3 years in NDA and you will be a much improved person. The selected candidates for the 3 services, viz., Army, Navy and Air Force are given preliminary training in both academic and physical for a period of 3 years at the National Defence Academy, which is an inter-service institution. The training during the first 2.5 years is common to the cadets of 3 wings. On passing out from the National Defence Academy, Army cadets go to the Indian Military Academy, Dehradun, Naval cadets to Indian Naval Academy Shimla and Air Force cadets to Air Force Academy, Hyderabad. At the I.M.A, Army cadets are known as gentlemen cadets and are given strenuous military training for a period of 1 year. On successful completion of training, gentlemen cadets are granted permanent commission in the rank of lieutenant subject to being medically fit in shape I. 1. The naval cadets are selected for the executive branch of the Navy, on passing out from the National Defence Academy, and are given further training at Indian Naval Academy, for a period of 1 year, on successful completion of which they are promoted to the rank of sub-lieutenants. Air Force cadets receive flying training for a period of 1.5 years. However, at the end of 1 year of training they are given provisional commission in the rank of flying officer. After successful completion of further training of 6 months they are absorbed as permanent commissioned officers on probation for a period of 1 year. Gentlemen cadets during the entire duration of training in service academies, that is during training period at IMA, shall be entitled to stipend of ₹21,000 PM. Apart from providing graduation degrees, NDA has the finest infrastructure for professional training. You'll find phenomenal opportunities to develop your personality and cultivate new interests. Indian Military Academy is yet another cradle of leadership. The IMA trains you to lead from the front. You are trained in all aspects of combat and tactics using technology and other modern tools and technologies. The IMA has excellent facilities for all-round development. You can go for adventure sports like river rafting, para-jumping, rock climbing, trekking and mountaineering. You can take the Combined Defense Services Entrance exam conducted by UPSC while you are in final year of graduation, possess any graduate degree. Clear the SSB interview. Be medically fit and join IMA as a direct entry subject to meeting all eligibility conditions and availability of vacancies. Candidates finally selected will undergo military training for a period of 18 months at IMA. Candidates will be enrolled under the Army Act as gentlemen cadets. On successful completion of training, gentlemen cadets are granted permanent commission. The final allocation of arms services will be made prior to passing out of gentlemen cadets from IMA.